Hi, I'm Jeff from Assembly, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about this router. This is the old router, and I have a new one now, but I wanted to show you the difference. We've been having trouble with accuracy where this thing is kind of loose and not really working very well, and it's actually slowing me down. So first of all, I'll show you the before and after. So this is before, and right now I'm at 9.5 mils. I'm just going to change that to 8 for the frame. So what I have to do is loosen it up, and if you'll notice, this thing is like really loose. So I'll turn it to 8. There it is. And I have to line it up on both sides to make sure, and go really tight because it does loosen up very easily. So anyway, that's 8 millimeters, and I'll show you what I do for changing the router settings on an average frame. So here we go. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the frame, or to the cabinet, I mean. Okay, now I'm powering down. I'll wait for the machine to finish running before I set it to 9.5. And here again, it's really loose, hard to get accurate, but there's 9.5 on the left, and I have to line it up on the right. Make it good and tight. And now I'll do the 9.5. Move to the other side. Okay, now you have to do 11 millimeters. So I'll wait for the machine to power down. There. Opposite open. Put it to 11 mils. Make sure it's even on both sides. Tighten the crap out of it. I don't know if I can say crap, but I did. Sorry. Anyway. There. That is how I prepared for biscuits on the frame and the cabinet using the old system. And I'm going to switch to the new system, and that'll be my next video. I'll show you that. Hi, this is part 2 of my router improvement video. So from Wes and Yuha, they got me this new router with a dial here that I can change the settings if it's plus or minus 2 for millimeters, which is really good. And the other thing is, this fence slides inside tracks, so there's no moving left or right. It's just really accurate. So right now, I have it set for 8 millimeters, which is for the frame, and I'll show you what I do with that. Okay, that's for the frame. Now moving on to the cabinet. Okay, now I need 9.5 millimeters. Got it. Now I need 11. Got it. And I'm done. So it moves so much faster between the dimensions that I need, and I don't even have to stop the machine. I can very safely turn the dial, change the amount of millimeters, and it works so much faster. So thanks again to Wes and Yuha for getting me the new router. So I'll wait for the machine to power down. There. Opposite open. Put it to 11 mils. Make sure it's even on both sides. Tighten the crap out of it. I don't know if I can say crap, but I did. Sorry. Anyway. There.